Welcome to the wild world of shielded metal arc welding. You might know it as stick welding, and it's a force to be reckoned with. Imagine creating strong, durable welds in the toughest conditions, from rusty, dirty metals to windy outdoor environments. But here's the kicker. Stick welding is like a dance with molten metal. It's an art and a science, with a powerful arc, showers of sparks, and a sizzling soundtrack. The welder becomes a conductor, controlling the rhythm of the dance, and creating a bond that can withstand extreme forces. Ever heard of the term travel angle? It's a crucial part of the stick welding process, and mastering it can make or break your weld. It's all about finding the perfect balance between the electrode, the workpiece, and the welding current. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. Stick welding is a versatile welding method, used in heavy construction, pipeline welding, and even in the repair of heavy machinery. It's a skill that can take you places, and leave you in awe of the power of molten metal. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the thrilling world of shielded metal arc welding. It's a dance you won't forget.